if you have a Mac computer, this is how you add a Spanish keyboard with the dictation feature. So the first thing we're gonna do is that we're going to go over to our system settings. And from here, we're gonna go down to where it says keyboard. So here we have two parts. The first one is the text input, and the second one is the dictation feature. So I'm gonna go over to text input, and I'm going to edit. And here we have our keyboards. So I have two Chinese keyboards and one English keyboard. So now I'm just gonna click on the plus symbol right here. And now I'm gonna look for a Spanish keyboard. So I scroll over to the letter S. And I recommend selecting this one, the Latin American keyboard. And now I just click on add. And here we go, we now have a Latin American keyboard. So now I can click on done. And the way you activate it is up here. I like to select this one. Press the glove key 2. And I select this one, change the input source. So I click on it. And now every time I press on the glove key, I can switch between keyboards. So the glove key is basically this one, kind of like the function key. So I'm gonna select this one, Latin American, and our keyboard has now changed. So next to the letter L, we have the ñ, which is basically the N with the line on the top. So if we press on it, we get the letter ñ. And we also have some extra keys, for example, the accent key. So next to the letter P, if we click on it and then we select a word, for example, the O, we get the accents. So you can basically do this with your own keyboard as well. Click and then A, then accent key E. And the next thing I want to do is that I also want to add the dictation feature. And for this, I can go over here to the dictation part, and I'm going to click on customize. And now I'm just going to look for Spanish. And this one, the Latin American Spanish. And then I click on OK. And we also need a shortcut. So for this one, you can either press this one, which is the microphone key, or you can press the globe key twice, or you can basically customize it. And I'm gonna leave it right here. Press the microphone key. So now if I go over here, I can press on the microphone key, which is F5 on my computer. And here we have English, so we have to switch over to Spanish. And now let's try it again. F5. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Me llamo Hugo. And it works. So you can also do it this way if you want to type Spanish, but you just want to speak. So let's try it out with our Quizlet. So I'm going to select this one, the basic greetings and phrases. So here I have some phrases, and I'm going to click on learn. And then I'm going to click on this one. Click here for write mode. And this one, excuse me. And now I can click on F5. Disculpe. Then answer. And it works. And the next one, adios. And answer. And it works. So there is also something that you can do. You can either type it, or you can use the dictation feature to have it write it for you, to have the computer just write it for you. So both are quite useful.